How to fix Google Play Music no connection problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Play Music no connection problem. So guys, I have 3 steps. So our first step is make sure that your internet connection is on. Because sometimes the data connection gets off automatically. So guys, the first step is this, and then the second step is you have to go to your phone settings, and then you have to go to install apps or app manager. Here is it, install apps. I will go to install apps and then search for Google Play Music. Here is it, click here, and then guys, you can see here force stop button. Click on force stop and press OK, and again you have to click on storage and you have to press on clear data, and then you have to clear all the data here. Now go back and you can see here app permission. Click on app permission and you have to allow all the permission here. So guys, the three step is you have to go back to your settings. You can see here about phone. Click on about phone and you can see here system update. Click on system update and see whether there is anything available for the update. If there is anything available for the update, you have to update it, and then you have to restart your phone and reopen the apps. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.